this
Shall I
text
record it now?
exactly
Shall I
one.
record?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
So, as it examines each character in the text exactly once and reports all the value shift, so the time complexity is big O of n time. So, what is the basic idea to build a automaton in which each character in the pattern has its state, and each match sends the automaton into a new state. And if all the characters in the pattern has been matched, the automaton enters the accepting state. Otherwise, the automaton will return a suitable state according to the current state and the input character. So as I previously said, the matching takes big O of n time since each character is examined once. So the construction of the string matching automaton is based on the given pattern. The time of this construction may be big O of m cube. So here m cube of sigma. So m cube is like a number of inputs, like it can be n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are representing as m cube. The finite automaton begins in state q naught and read the character of its input string one at a time. If the automaton is in state Q and reads input character A, it moves from state Q to state delta of Q comma A. So delta is like I'll show you the 5 tuples in the finite automata. So the transition will take from Q to A. So a transition has happened. So finite automata, as I tell, it has 5 tuples, that is Q, Q naught, A, sigma, and delta. Q is a finite set of states. It can be Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, depending on the number of input string. And Q0 belongs to Q. That is, Q0 is the start date, and Q0 belongs to Q, as Q is a finite set of states. And A belongs to Q, is a distinguished set of accepting states. So every string does not accept on only a single state, so there will be different states. So A will distinguished set of accepting states, and sigma is a finite input alphabet, and delta is a function from q into sigma into q, called the transition function of m. So any transaction starts from q naught and it will transit from q1, q2, q3, that will be assigned to delta. So delta will show the transition function. So what is the algorithm, how to do it? So this is the algorithm. So this finite automata matcher, so it will take three inputs, that is t is a text, delta, and m, that is the pattern. So three inputs it will take in the algorithm. So length of the text should be equal to n, and state will start from q naught, and it will from I to 1, and I equal to 1 to n will for loop will run. And like every transition, like q of t first pattern is matched if it is that q equals to t of 1. So what I'm doing is like I'm decrementing until I find a longest suffix which is equal to its prefix. Once I found the value of k is been assigned to delta of q comma a. For example, delta of 3 comma a is equal to 4. So if when q equals to m, then print like we should print the pattern matches with the index I minus m minus 1. So I'll show you this how the algorithm will work. So what is the transition function? So here we'll build a transition function with respect to the table. So what it is, how like after I show the example, I will explain this so it will be easy for you to understand this. So here is the pattern. So first we'll think about how to construct a transition table. Then we'll look into how to match the pattern with the given text. So here what the pattern I have taken is A, B, A, B, A, B, A, C, A. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I have taken one extra state, that is number of inputs plus one state, plus one will give the number of states. So I have taken 8 number of states. So every string will be accepted by every state. So as I previously said, there will be no single state that will accept multiple state. multiple patterns. So for everything I have taken from 0 to 1 A, from 1 to 2 the transition is for B, and from 2 to 3 the transition is A, and from 3 to 4 the transition is B, and for 4 to 5 the transition is 5, from 5 to 6 C, and 6 to 7 A. So this thing how we got, I'll tell you. So what we'll do, so in this pattern A B A B A C A, so there are three distinguished pattern, that is A, B and C. For these three characters only the pattern is built, so we'll take as A, B and C will take here. And as I told before, if I have 5 state, I'll take 5 plus 1 states. So here there are 7 states, so I've taken 0 to 7 states, so totally 8 states, because it will start from Q naught. So here in the right side, I've taken this pattern A, B, A, B, A, C, A. As sir previously said, prefix and suffix. Even here, we'll use the same concept, prefix and suffix. So how will we use that? I'll show. From 0 to A, I have written 1. As here, 0 to 1, it is A. From 1 to B, it is 2. And from 2 to 3, again the same pattern is A. So I have written 3. From 3 to B, I have written 4. 4 to A, it is 5. 5 to C, 6. 6 to A, 7. All this we should fill this. So main thing, main state from where it is going, we should fill that first. So I have highlighted with dark color, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 states and we have all included in this. So next, how to fill these remaining states which I have written in blue, how to fill this state. So to fill this state, we'll use a concept called prefix and suffix. So as you can see, for state 0, only there is transition to A. And for this transition, there is no transition for B and C. So we'll write 0 and 0. Done. So here we have encountered a pattern as A. Now, previously we have written 1. So the next pattern incoming is B. So, and C, B and C. So here 2 was written already first. So I included pattern A and I encoded a pattern A. So here A comma E. So what is the prefix A and suffix is A, equal match. So I've written 1. Fine. Then A I have encountered. Now coming to state 1, I have encountered pattern C. But A and C, A prefix is A, suffix is C, so there is no match. So I have written 0 here. Fine. Then we came to state 2. From state to A, I have already encountered state 3. So from state to B and C, how will I do that? So I have already encountered pattern AB. AB I have already encountered. So now the pattern is B. So A, B, B. So prefix is A, suffix is B. Next character is AB, BB. So there is no match. So I have written 0. Next pattern is A, B. So I have encountered pattern C, that is A, B, C. So prefix is A, suffix is C. And next is A, B, B, C. So there is no match. So I have encountered 0. Next, we'll go to from state 3 and pattern encountered is A. So already how many characters we have encountered? A, B, A. So now the pattern is A. So A, B, A. Prefix is A, suffix is A, match, fine. A, B, A, no match. A, B, A, B, A. So there is no match. So while doing the prefix, you should take the number of string minus 1. So I've taken 4 here, A, B, A. So minus 1 is A, B, A. Till then you will consider. So there is a match A comma A. So I'll update in the transition table as 1. Here A, B, A, B, A. So the encountered pattern is C. So A and C, no match. A, B, A, C, no match. A, B, A, B, A, C, no match. So I'll update as 0. Fine. So from 4 to A, if I do the transition, I've already encountered the 5th pattern. So till now I've encountered the pattern A, B, A, B. So now the pattern is B. A, B, A, B, B. So prefix is A, suffix is B, A, B, 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 A, B, A, A, B, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, B. There is not at all a single match. So I'll update it as 0. Now I've encountered pattern A, B, A, B. So the pattern is C now. So in this C state, I'll check if there is a transition. So A, C, there is no match. A, B, B, C, there is no match. A, B, A, B, C, there is no match. A, B, A, B, B, A, B, C. So there is no single even match. So I'll update it as 0 here. Till now it is fine. So till now what and all patterns have encountered? A, B, A, B, A. So now the incoming pattern is A. So I'll write A, B, A, B, A. So prefix is A, suffix is A. A, B, A, A, B, A, B, A, 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 B, A, B, and A, B, A, A. So A, B, A, B, A, and B, A, B, A. So there is only one match, that is A and A. So I'll update in the transition table as 1. Now I've encountered a pattern B. So that is A, B, A, B, A, B. B is the pattern encountered. A and B, no match. AB, AB, match. ABA, BAB, no match. ABA and ABAB. So there is a match. So there are 2 matches here. So now you should consider the longest one, that is ABAB. So I'll update it as 4. And on 5 to C, I've already told, that is from 5 to 6, it is already the C pattern. So I've encountered the C pattern. Similarly, till here, you complete A, B, A, B, A, C, A. Now the next pattern is A. So only the pattern A and A is matched. As you can see, A and A will be matched. Next, you encountered B pattern. That is A, B, A, B, A, C, A, B. So only AB and AB prefix and suffix will be matched, and the number of longest is 2. So we'll update it as 2. And C, as you can see in prefix, there is no C, and there is no way that it will be matched in the coming forward. So we'll update it as C. So this is how you construct a transition table. On constructing the transition table, now you can do the finite automata. From 0 to A, there is a transition to A. And from 1 to state 1, there is a transition from A. That is in the same loop. And from 1 to B, there is a transition for B. Here, 1 to B. And from 2 to state 2 to 3, 2 to 3, there is a transition for A. And from 3 to A, there is a from state 3 to state 1, there is a transition for A. And from state 3 to state 4, there is from state 3 to 4, there is a transition for B. And from state 4 to 5, there is a transition for A. State 4 to 5, there is a transition for A. And from 5 to 1, 5 to 1, there is a transition for A. And from 5 to 6, when from 5 to 4, there is a transition for B. And from 5 to 6, there is a transition for C. Similarly, from 6 to state 7, there is a transition for A. And from 7 to 1, there is a transition for A. And from 7 to B, there is a transition for B. 7 to state 2. So this is the whole idea of constructing the transition table. Okay, now what is, like, we have constructed a transition table, we have constructed the finite diagram. So what is next? How to match the pattern with the text? So I'll take one more example and show you that. Okay, so here there is a text A, A, B, A, B, A, D, A, B, A, and the pattern is B, A, D, A. As I type, there are 4 patterns B, A, D, A. So there will be 4 plus 1, 5 states. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will accept all the states. That is B, A, D, A. And I have written here, there are 3 patterns in this. That is A, B, D. So I have written A, B, D. in the pattern. So whole idea you should think while constructing the transition table is only you should focus on pattern. Then you'll for the matching, then you'll use the text. For here also you should consider A, B, D from only the pattern. Okay, so here the state is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Q being the state, like starting state, that is 0. So here in dark green I have mentioned from 0 to 1 it is B, from 1 to 2 it is A, from 2 to 3 it is D, and from 3 to 4 it is A. So first pattern of B. So there is a transition only for B, so I have written 1, and there is no transition for A and D, so I have written 0, as I explained previously. Now 1 to 2 it is already a transition A, so I have considered a pattern B, and now I encounter pattern B. So prefix is B and suffix is B match, so I'll update it as 1. For B and D, B and D, B is prefix, D is suffix, so there is no match, I'll update it as 0. Now B, A, and the pattern encounter is A. B and A, BA and A, there is no match. Now BA on input pattern B, that is BAB. B, there is a match. BAAB, there is no match. So I'll update it as 1. So from 2 to 3, there is an input pattern D, as I already here it is. So it is 3. State 3, it will move. From now 3 to A, it is already from 3 on input pattern A, it will go to state 4. So now the patterns what we have encountered is B, A, D. So now the pattern is B, B, A, D, B. So prefix is B, suffix is B, match, BA, DB, no match, BAD and ADB. There is no match, so I'll update it as 1. Now BAD on input pattern D. So BAD, B and D no match, BA and DD no match, BAD, ADB. There is no match. So I'll update it as 0. Now BADA input pattern is A. BADA and input pattern is A. B and A no match, BAA no match, BAD no match, BADA and ADA. So there is no single match. So I'll update it as 0. Now BADA input pattern is B. That is prefix is B, suffix is B, match. BA and AB no match. BAD, DAB no match. BADA, ADAB. So there is only one match, that is I have written as 1. Similarly, BADA on input pattern D, there is not even a single match, as in prefix, as in suffix, there is no D pattern, so it will be 0. So this is whole idea about creating a transition table. Similarly, you can do finite automata in this. From state 0 to state 1, there is in transition for 1. So I have written here. From 1 to state 2, from 1 to state 2, it is A. And from 1 to state 1, it is for only B. So self loop. And from 2 to 1, there is transition for B. And from 2 to 3, there is a transition for D. And from 3 to 4, there is a transition for A. And from 3 to B, 3 to 1, 3 to state 1, there is a transition for B. And there is no transition for 3 to any state for D. Now 4 to state 1, there is only transition for B. This is whole idea of creating a transition diagram. This is already I have explained. This is another. So till now we have encountered all this. So how will you match the pattern? So T of I, what the pattern was given was
Anusha?
yes sir, okay. The pattern was given as A, B, A, B, A, D, A, B, A. previously what it was written here, A, B, A, B, A, D, A, B. So whole idea when you will use text is when you match the pattern. So this is the pattern. This is the text and you should match the pattern B, A, D, A. So from Q is the starting state, a state I said. So from Q to 0, there is a transition for A. From Q0, from Q0, if the input pattern is 0, then we'll have a transition for A. Similarly, and we'll update here as 0. From 0 on input pattern A, it will 0. On input pattern A, it will remains on the same state, that is 0. So I'll update it as 0. So 0 on input B. So 0 on input B, it will go to 1 state. That is 1 I have updated here. So from 1 on input pattern A, where it is going from input pattern A, it is going to state 2. So I've written here 2. So from 2 on input pattern B, 2 on input pattern B, it is going to 1. 2 on input pattern B, it is going to 1. I have written here. So from 1 to on input pattern A, where it is from input pattern 1, it is going for input pattern A, it is going to 2. So I have written here 2. So from 2, if input pattern is D, on input pattern 2 on pattern is D, it is going to state 3. I have written so here 3. So on input on state 3, if I input pattern A on input state 3 on input pattern A, it is going to state 4. So I have written 4. So here you can stop because the length of the string, the length of the pattern was 1, 2, 3, 4. And what when we match, then the state was is also 4. So Q equals to M. So I have stopped. What if I'll get the same pattern? Now again you should complete the all the string patterns. So 4 state on input pattern B, 4th state on input pattern B, it is going to 1. And from 1, and if you input pattern A, 1 on input pattern A, it is going to 2. So I didn't find anywhere where Q equals to M further. Only there is only one pattern match in the whole string. Okay, we got to know by seeing like here the string is BADA. So there is a string match. So how the system will know? So the algorithm says I minus M minus 1. So here I value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It went to 9. So I is 9 minus M. Where did you get M? 7 and minus 1. So 7 minus 3, you get 4. So at the 4th index, you have matched the pattern. So B, A, D, A is the pattern matched. So this is whole idea about matching the string. So how did we compute the transition function? As I told, so it will take the pattern like B, A, D as I told, and the number of states, that is sigma. So length of the pattern is assigned as M. That is, I said Q equals to M. So the length is assigned to M and Q will go to 0 to M state. When it is equal, then it will say pattern is matched. So till then we'll match. For every each and character, A should belongs to state, any of the state. So as I told, we are calculating K. For to shift the position, we are calculating minimum of M plus 1 and Q plus 1. As because each and initial state and the first character should be matched, then only we can move to the position. Then we'll keep on decrementing K to K minus 1 until until K is specified to the position Q comma A, and we'll update the state to the transition function. Yeah, from 1 to 2 there is a transition of A, so that will update in the transition function and will return the transition function. After that, we have created the finite automaton diagram. That's also. Thank you.
So very nice presentation.
Thank you so much.
So Excellent presentation by Anusha S. He has very nicely explained with a nice example, and it's easy to understand. So I stop sharing here. I stop recording.